And lahat naman sa mga sinabi ko, meron kaming basihan. At sinabi ko doon na what they're trying to do is they're trying to make a case for impeachment. Kasi last year pa yan nila gusto talagang gawin. They're trying to make a case for impeachment. Dahil wala silang ebidensya, ang ginagawa nila, nag-fishing sila dito sa mga tanong sa loob. Kung maririnig nyo, di ba mali? Di ba mali? Ginagano nila yung sumasagot na COA resource person. And of course, ano lang ba ang rank and file? Siyempre, congressman yung kaharap mo. Di sasabihin mo, oo po, may mali. When in fact, ilang beses na kami sumagot, we are fully cooperating with the audit process, and we are answering and filing our comments in all the cases.